Meowl is an image edit where the softness of a cat meets the haunting silhouette of an owl, resulting in the strange hybrid now known worldwide. In 2013, a Chinese Weibo user named Zumakil first created the image, which inspired similar edits across the following decade. Meowl made a comeback in 2024 and 2025 as TikTok edits and Twitter memes breathed new life into the decade-old image. Among the hybrids posted by Zumakil was an owl cat perched on a branch. AI art makes creations like Meowl seem less like jokes and more like a preview of where digital culture was heading. Back in 2013, it took Photoshop skills to merge a cat's face with an owl's body. But today, tools like MidJourney or DALL can spit out hundreds of bizarre animal hybrids in seconds. Manual edits gave way to automation, and meme culture is now flooded with endless AI brainrot hybrids. It questions how evolving technology reshapes not just internet culture, but human identity itself. Though collaboration is ideal, many companies already rely solely on AI, especially in entry-level roles. Stay tuned for more meme content, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.